Let's do a morning analysis together for gold. I've already done a full morning analysis on my YouTube if you want to look at that, but let's just do a quick analysis together. So price has formed this range and then it broke out of here, forming a new low. This low made a new indication because it broke past this low, so I'm looking for a retracement and some bullish structure, and then for price to continue down to that indication level. The only reason why I didn't take a sell yesterday is because price wicked into a higher high, so it broke the all-time high by a wick, so I didn't know if price was going to form a higher low and go back up during this indication level, even though it was below this level. And I don't trade liquidity sweeps, so I was looking at pure market structure itself, and it was basically like that. So I didn't know that it was going to go down, but here now we can see that price is definitely bearish and it's going low, and I want to just see that correction and continuation. Looking at the DXY weekly analysis, we're on the daily chart right now. We can see price is forming this bullish structure off of this support level, and what I want to see is for price to break either this high or this low to get an indication on where the DXY is moving. The DXY works inversely to gold, that's why I'm monitoring it. And then we had some interesting moves on my weekly analysis for gold, and again we're on the daily time frame. We can see that price is broken below my dynamic support level here, which we had multiple touch points on, and then it's broken back down to this other dynamic support level, which we had even more touch points on. So I want to see if price is going to continue to break below here. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points on this dynamic support level, and it's wicked past it, but I want to see a candle close, or I want to see the daily open and go even lower below this level, because then that would basically invalidate it, because I am using wicks on this dynamic support level here. And then we've got this dynamic support level here, and it has a few touch points, and the main touch points are from a long time ago when price was in this range, but price could potentially sell down and bounce off of here, but we haven't had that many bounces off of this trend line, so if price breaks below this would give me a better indication that gold is bearish. But yeah, that's my morning analysis. I go through the news and everything on my YouTube channel, so if you're interested in that, go and watch that video. But yeah, bye.